Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you have ever driven through snow, freezing rain, or heavy slush, you already know how quickly ordinary wiper blades can become useless. Ice builds up around the frame, rubber stiffens in the cold, and suddenly your windshield is streaky right when visibility matters most. That is why winter wiper blades are worth considering. The right pair can stay flexible in low temperatures, resist snow buildup, and keep your windshield clear when regular blades start chattering or leaving huge mist spots. Today, we are counting down the top 6 best car winter wiper blades you can buy on Amazon. We are looking at winter protection, wiping performance, durability, installation, value, and which blades make the most sense for different types of drivers. Whether you deal with light frost, regular snow, or full-on blizzard conditions, there is a wiper blade here for you. All the links are in the description below, so let's get started. On number 6, TRICO White Winter Wiper Blade. Starting at number 6, the TRICO White Winter Wiper Blade is a strong choice for drivers who want a sealed beam-style blade built to handle snow, ice, rain, and freezing temperatures. Unlike traditional frame-style wipers with exposed joints, this design helps reduce the chance of snow and ice building up around moving parts. That matters because once a conventional blade freezes, it can lose contact with the windshield and leave annoying streaks or missed areas. The TRICO White uses a flexible rubber wiping element and a covered beam construction that applies pressure more evenly across the windshield. This gives it a smoother wipe on curved glass and helps reduce chatter during cold, wet conditions. It is also designed to stay stable at highway speeds, which is important during winter rain and slush. Compared with premium options like the Bosch Snow Driver, the TRICO White usually offers a better balance of price and winter performance. It may not have the same long-term reputation as some higher-end blades, but it is still a reliable option for drivers who want a serious winter upgrade without spending too much. On number 5, Peak Snow Beast Winter Wiper Blade. At number 5, the Peak Snow Beast is built for drivers who deal with heavy snow, wet slush, and rough winter weather on a regular basis. This blade has a larger, more aggressive design than a typical beam blade, and that is exactly the point. It is made to push through thick buildup instead of getting overwhelmed by it. The protective outer structure helps keep snow and ice from collecting around the blade, while the flexible rubber wiping edge is designed to stay useful in colder conditions. The Snow Beast is especially appealing for people who live in areas where winter storms are common and visibility can disappear quickly. It is not the sleekest looking blade on the list, and it can feel bulkier than more modern, low-profile options, but it is made for performance rather than style. Compared with the TRICO White, the Peak Snow Beast is the better choice for deep snow and heavier slush, while the TRICO is better for drivers who want a more balanced, all-weather blade. If your winter commute regularly includes snow-covered roads and icy windshields, the Snow Beast is one of the toughest options you can buy. On number 4, Bosch Snow Driver Winter Wiper Blade. Coming in at number 4, the Bosch Snow Driver is one of the most trusted winter-focused blades for drivers who want reliable performance from a well-known automotive brand. Bosch designed this blade with a covered beam-style structure that helps prevent snow and ice from building up inside the frame. That makes it much more dependable than a traditional exposed frame blade when temperatures drop. The blade also uses a flexible rubber wiping element with a smooth coating designed to reduce friction, helping it wipe quietly and evenly across the windshield. One of the best things about the Bosch Snow Driver is that it offers a winter-ready design without looking oversized or overly bulky. It has a clean, integrated profile that works well for everyday commuting, highway driving, rain, sleet, and light to moderate snow. Compared with the Peak Snow Beast, the Bosch is more refined and better for general winter use, while the Peak is more focused on extreme snow clearing. Installation is usually straightforward with its adapter system, although you should always double-check fitment for your exact vehicle before ordering. For drivers who want dependable winter performance from a trusted name, the Bosch Snowdriver is an excellent choice. On number 3, Hella OE Quality Winter Wiper Blade. At number 3, the Hella OE Quality Winter Wiper Blade is a great option for drivers who prefer the familiar feel of a traditional frame blade but still want better winter protection. While beam blades have become more popular, a well-made conventional blade can still perform very well, especially when it is designed with winter conditions in mind. Hella uses a durable frame design with multiple pressure points to help the blade maintain contact across the windshield. Its rubber wiping element is designed to provide a smooth, quiet wipe while helping reduce streaking and chatter. The biggest advantage here is value. Hella often delivers solid OE-style quality at a lower price than many premium beam blades, making it a good choice for older vehicles, budget-conscious buyers, or anyone who prefers a more traditional replacement blade. The main trade-off is that frame-style blades can still be more vulnerable to snow buildup than fully sealed beam designs. Compared with the Bosch Snowdriver, the Hella is more conventional and less focused on complete ice protection, but it can still be a very dependable choice for normal winter conditions. If you want a quality replacement without paying premium beam blade prices, Hella is a strong contender. On number 2, ClixWipers High Performance Premium Wiper Blades. Taking the number 2 spot, ClixWipers stand out because they combine modern beam blade performance with one of the easiest installation systems on the market. Replacing wiper blades can be frustrating when you have to deal with confusing adapters, loose clips, and unclear instructions. ClixWipers solve that problem with a quick connect design that makes blade changes much simpler once the starter clip is installed. The blades themselves use a flexible beam structure that applies even pressure across the windshield, helping reduce streaks and mist spots during rain, snow, and slush. They are also designed for quiet operation, which is important because noisy wipers can become very distracting during long winter drives. Another interesting feature is that ClixWipers offer different styling options, giving buyers a little more choice than most standard black wiper blades. Compared with the TRICO White, ClixWipers focus more on convenience and easy installation, while TRICO puts more emphasis on sealed winter protection. They may not be the cheapest option on the list, but for drivers who want a premium blade that is easy to install, quiet, and built for year-round performance, ClixWipers are a very appealing choice. On number 1, AERO Voyager Premium All-Season Wiper Blades. Taking the number 1 spot, the AERO Voyager Premium All-Season Wiper Blades offer one of the best combinations of performance, durability, easy installation, and overall value. These are low-profile beam blades designed to provide even pressure across the windshield, which helps deliver a clean wipe in rain, snow, sleet, and everyday driving conditions. The rubber wiping element is treated to reduce friction, helping the blades move smoothly and quietly without excessive chatter. One of the biggest reasons AERO Voyager earns the top position is the value it offers. Many sets include extra rubber refills, which can help extend the life of the blades and save money over time. That makes them a smart choice for drivers who want good long-term value instead of replacing an entire set every season. Installation is simple for vehicles with J-hook wiper arms, although you should always confirm compatibility before buying. Compared with ClixWipers, the AERO Voyager may not have the same quick-change system or style options, but it wins on practicality, replacement value, and straightforward all-season performance. If you want a dependable set of beam blades that can handle winter weather without spending premium money, the AERO Voyager is the best overall choice. Final verdict. If you live in an area with deep snow and frequent winter storms, the Peak Snow Beast is the best choice for aggressive snow and slush clearing. If you want a premium winter blade with a sealed beam design from a trusted brand, the Bosch Snowdriver is a great option. The TRICO White is another strong winter-focused choice for drivers who want dependable performance at a more reasonable price. Hella is the value pick for people who prefer a traditional frame blade, while ClixWipers are ideal if easy installation is your top priority. But for the best mix of performance, value, easy installation, and long-term usability, the AERO Voyager Premium All-Season Wiper Blades take the top spot. If this video helped you find the right winter wiper blades for your car, hit the like button, subscribe for more car accessories and automotive gear reviews, and comment below with the winter weather you deal with where you live. All the links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe, and I will see you in the next one.